Yeah, hi, Bharat. How are you?
Yeah, hi Mahesh. I'm good and you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking. Yeah, let's start today interview. Yeah, tell me about yourself.
Yes. I am a recently graduate with a degree in bachelor's from JNTU Kakinada. I am excited to begin my career as a front-end developer where I can utilize my skills in creating interactive and user-friendly web applications. During my studies, I developed a strong foundation in web technologies, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and gained some proficiency like React.js, in frameworks like React.js. I worked on several projects that allowed me to apply my skills in real world scenarios. One of my key project was mm, developing a real time weather application. It was built using React.js and Open Weather Map API. This project involved me fetching and displaying the weather data dynamically. It improved my understanding of working of with APIs and managing states in React. I also focused on ensuring the application was responsive. I also had a knowledge on technical skills like C++, and Linux. In addition of my technical skills, I have a strong passion for design and user experience. I enjoy the challenge of creating interfaces. I look forward to bring my enthusiasm and fresh perspective to my role as a front-end developer. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Yeah, Bharat, you're welcome. Yeah, it sounds good during your projects and skill sets. Yeah, start front-end development interview. Yeah, how much you can rate about HTML and CSS
For HTML and CSS, I can rate myself as 9.
out of 10? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, let's start with HTMLs. Uh, what are the difference between HTML4 and HTML5?
Yes. HTML5 is the latest version of HTML, where HTML5 introduced the new features such as semantic elements like article, section, nav, elements, and also multimedia elements like audios and video tags and form enhancements and API for offline storage like local storage, section storage, and also improved parsing rules. HTML5 also decrypted certain elements and attributes from HTML4.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. You have explained very nice for the difference of HTML4 and HTML5. Yeah, coming to the next question. What is the purpose of relative no opener, no referrer attribute in anchor tags?
Okay. The relative no opener and no referrer attribute improves security and performance by preventing the new page from accessing the window.opener property and stops the referral information from being sent.
Yeah, nice. Improve the security and performance. Yeah, okay, nice. Coming to the next question. Describe the life cycle of HTML document.
Okay. The life cycle of an HTML document includes um, loading state where the browser sends request to the server and starts receiving the HTML document and parsing. The browser parses the HTML document, build the DOM tree and CSS OM tree, and rendering stage. The browser combines the DOM and CSS OM tree into the render tree and layout stage. The browser calculates the layout of each element and painting. The browser paints the pixels on the screen and also interaction. The user interacts with the document and the browser may re-render parts of the document as needed.
Okay, nice. Telling about loading, pausing, rendering, layout, and painting interaction. Okay, nice about that. Yeah, explain the difference between block level and inline level elements in HTML.
Okay. Block level elements takes up the full width available of the screen, and it starts on a new line, while the inline elements takes as much as the width it needed, and it does not starts on a new line.
Okay, nice. Block level, it's take full width.
Yeah, I will tell the examples. Examples of block level are paragraph, div, h1, heading tags, and examples of inline are span, bold, italic tags.
Okay, yeah. Coming to the CSS, explain CSS grid and how it differs from Flexbox.
CSS grid is a layout system optimized for two-dimensional layouts, allowing for precise control over rows and columns. Flexbox is suited for only one-dimensional layouts. Grid can create complex layout with minimal code. By using Grid, we can implement multiple layout columns.
Yeah, explain the concept of CSS specificity and how it is calculated.
CSS specificity determines which CSS rule is applied when multiple rules could apply on the same element. Um, Means that when multiple elements are calculated is applied on the CSS rule, CSS specificity can be done. It can be calculated based on types of selectors we use it. Um, there are four types, like for inline it will be 1,000 points. For id selectors it will be 100 points. For class or and attribute or pseudo class selector it will be 10 points. For type and pseudo element selectors it will be only 1 point. The um, the highest specificity rule is applied where inline is used 1,000 points, like that it will be applied.
Okay, okay, nice. Yeah, what is the difference between position relative, position absolute, position fixed?
CSS position property defines the element where it should be displayed on a web page. Relative, when it comes to relative, the element is position related to its normal flow. Means that when we set the position related to an element without adding any other position attributes like top, bottom, right, left, nothing will be happen. When we add position apart from the relative such as left 20 pixel, right 20 pixel, then the element will be moved. Mhm. Position relative is uh, normal flow of the document. It remains same in the normal flow of the document. While coming to absolute, the element is removed from the normal flow of the document and it will be placed. When we apply position relative and when we give top, left, right, the element will be moved from that position. And while position absolute is calculated based on parent ancestors. While coming to fixed, the element is position related to the browser window. When we give fixed with some pixels, it will be placed at that point and it will not move.
Okay, okay, nice. Yeah, next question. What are CSS combinators and how they are used?
CSS combinators are used to define the relationship between selectors. There are some different types of combinators like descendant selectors, child, adjacent sibling, and general sibling. While coming to descendant selectors, uh, the target this it targets the element that are descendant of the specified element. While coming to child selector, it targets the element that are direct children of the specified element. And while coming to adjacent sibling selector, it targets the element that is next sibling of the specified element. And while coming to general sibling selector, it targets the element that are sibling of the specified element.
Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah, coming to the last question in HTML CSS, explain the difference between display none and visibility hidden.
When we give display none to an element, it removes the element from the normal flow and it does not take the any space. When we give visibility hidden to an element, it makes the element invisible, but still takes the space in the document flow.
Okay, nice. Yeah, yeah. Based on this HTML CSS, will do one task. Okay, I will give one task. So
Okay.
please arrange that one. Okay, could you please share your screen?
Yes. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, visible. Yeah, choose any one of the editor as you like.
Yes.
Yeah, are you ready? Okay then.
Yes.
Yeah, here we need to do take one gallery in that we place some photos that should be responsive. Like when we are opening the phone, na? So in that some our photo gallery is there. Na? So like this, we need to arrange the photos and it should be responsive. Yeah, could you able to do that?
Yes.
Yeah, do it. So understand understand what is the task I explained?
Yeah, I need to take the pictures and it need to be as responsive.
Yeah, you should arrange like a gallery. Means
Yeah, yes.
take one big container.
Multi-level, multi-columns like.
Yeah, multi-column. So take container in that you should place the images. So that
Yeah.
should be responsive. If I place right, okay, right. Yeah, we can.
It's done.
Yeah, nice, Bharati. Your approach also very good when you are doing the coding. Yeah, let's move to the our JavaScript.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the difference between null and undefined in JavaScript?
Yes. Um, Undefined means a variable that has been declared but not assigned a value. While coming to null, it is an assignment value that represent no value or no object. Undefined is a type itself, but null is an object.
Okay, nice. Yeah, what is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to in JavaScript?
Yeah. Double equal to and triple equal to or comes under comparison operators. Um, while coming to double equal to, that compares only two values for equality. After converting them to a common type, it means that it only check the value, but it does not check the data type. While coming to triple equal to, it is a strict equality, means that it compares both value and type.
Okay. What is event bubbling and event capturing in JavaScript?
Event bubbling and capturing are two phases of event propagation. In event capturing, the event propagates from a root to the target element, and in event bubbling, the event propagates from target element up to the root. By default, event handlers or comes with bubbling phase.
Okay, nice. Explain the concept of closures in JavaScript.
A closure is a function that has access to its own scope. The scope of a outer function and the global scope means closures allow a function to access variables from an enclosing scope even after it has returned.
Okay, nice. What is the difference between a let, const, and var?
Yeah. Var is a function scope or also globally scope and can be redeclared and updated. Let is a block scope and can be updated but not redeclared with the same scope. Count is a block scope and cannot be updated or redeclared. It must be initialized at the time of declaration only.
Okay, nice. What is the difference between call, apply, bind methods?
Um, Call is a function that helps you change the context of the invoking function. It helps it helps us to replace the value of this inside a function with whatever value we want. Apply is similar to the call function. The only difference is that in apply you can pass as array as an argument list. Bind is a function that help us to create another function that we can execute later with the new context of this that is provided.
Okay, nice. Yeah, what is the difference between deep copy and shallow copy in JavaScript?
A shallow copy copies only the reference of the nested objects, not the object themselves, while the deep copy duplicates everything, including all the nesting objects.
Okay, nice, nice, Bharati. You are also having good knowledge in JavaScript. Okay, let's do the one task. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
yeah, please share your screen. Yeah, I will give one array.
Okay.
Okay. So in that array, we need to perform some task. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm sharing that array in Zoom chat. Yeah, please take that and paste it in your script.js or anywhere.
Yes, it's done.
Yeah, first print as it is
Yeah.
implies data in the console.
Yeah,
Yeah,
printing everything.
yeah, okay. Your task is on map filter reduce. Okay.
Okay.
So by using the map, you need to increase the salary 10% for each employee, which is have given us. So there is employee data in that each person's salary we need to increase 10%.
Okay.
Okay, it is asking some pricing interruption. Okay, you can carry on. I think it is giving the disturbance, so use any other editor.
Yes, infinite increase 10%, right?
Yes, yes, yeah. Okay, okay, nice. You're writing quality of the code. Yeah, Bharati, next you have to do remove employees with salary below 50,000. So remove employees with salary below 50,000.
Okay.
Yeah, who has the below 50,000 salary, please remove that one. So which is we have already incremented now based on that. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, it's printed. We have only three, so that it's printed three.
Okay, nice. Yeah. Yeah, calculate total salary of remaining employees.
Okay. I need to calculate total salaries of this, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Uh, Yeah, it's printed, Mahesh.
Yeah, nice, Bharati. Yeah, well done. Yeah, let's move to the React. Sorry, how much you can rate in React yourself?
For React, I can rate myself as 7.
Yeah, top 10. Okay. Yeah, explain the virtual DOM and how React uses it to improve the performance.
The virtual DOM is an memory representation of the real DOM, which generated by React components. When the state or props of component change, React first updates the virtual DOM. It then compares the updated virtual DOM with the real DOM by using diffing algorithm, and then it identifies the minimum number of changes required to update the real DOM. This process is known as reconciliation. It helps virtual DOM basically helps for performance can be high by using virtual DOM. By it can also minimize the direct manipulation of the real DOM.
Okay, nice. Yeah, what are the higher order components in React?
Higher order components are functions that take a component and returns a new component with additional props or functionality. There are the pattern of reusing component logic.
Okay. Yeah, what is the purpose of use memo and use callback hooks?
Use memo and use callbacks are optimization hooks in React. Use memo is used to memorize expensive calculation, ensuring they are only recomputed when dependencies change. It returns a memorized value. Use callback is used to memorize functions, preventing them from being recreated on every renders unless the dependency change. It returns a memorized callback.
Okay, nice. Yeah, explain the difference between use state and use reducer. When would you use the one over the other?
Use state is a hook that lets you add state to your functional components. It is suitable for managing simple state logics. While coming to use reducer, it is also a hook that is used for state managing when the state logic is complex and involving multiple sub values, or when the next state depends on the previous one. Use reducer is often used for managing global state in large applications or for complex state transactions.
Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah, uh, last question in React. What is the difference between React.memo and use memo?
React.memo is a higher order component that memoizes the component itself, preventing unnecessary re-renders when the props have not changed. Well, coming to use memo, it is a hook that uses a memoizes value or a function return value to optimize performance.
Okay, yeah, nice, Bharati. You answered well. Yeah, let's do one task on this React. Okay, are you ready for the task?
Yes.
Yeah, open like code sandbox like that.
Is screen visible to you, Mahesh?
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, here you need to do a parent-child relationship. Take any data, your wish, send data parent to child and child to parent. Okay, you understand the task?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, do
Data
it.
transfer between parent to child and child to parent.
Yeah.
Hello, Mahesh.
Yeah, Bharati, nice approach. Yeah, well done. Yeah, I have observed each and every point, every step. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, as based on your knowledge, I will give one more task. Okay.
Okay.
Take any API and fetch and display the data which is having in that API. So your wish, you can go and Google it and take any one of the API. So that API fetch and display the data in that API.
Okay. It's done, Mahesh.
Yeah, nice, Bharati. Yeah, yeah, your approach also very good in this also. Little bit you are confused, but this is nice approach. Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Mahesh.
Yeah, yeah, thank you, Bharati. Yeah, nice performance. Yeah, we'll get back to you.
Yeah, okay, Mahesh. Thank you, Mahesh.